Tuning in this beautiful morning, beautiful Monday morning.
Okay.
Total shining.
I see the rays coming from the sun.
Right, the sun rays. Okay.
You can walk towards that race.
Walk towards the sun.
Oh, to the sun.
A ping Bulabanaka and Rabanaka to all those tuning in this morning from the bus, from the car, rental car or private cars or minibus.
Yeah.
Also those who tuning all the way from the village.
Oh, yeah.
In the Koro. Big Bulabanaka to all the Turangani Koro listening this morning and all the best.
Right.
In the
future.
Yeah, in the future. In the work in the village, in the Banua, and the development of the Koro. A big Bulabinaka to you this morning. Bulabinaka, Illinois.
Bulabinaka. I say good morning to Sote.
Right.
Everyone
Who
in
is Sote?
No, everyone in Sote, the village.
Oh,
yeah.
I want the shit.
Yeah, both.
Okay.
The shot and the sote.
Right.
I am Bambula to Bikim Toket Sara.
Right.
Wayanra be Tamainoke,
Yeah.
Tatacho, Batikir Naliku, Bukelera.
Right.
Bukelera and everyone else. Talibu Ben.
Right.
Tuning in this beautiful morning. Ortanangone
Right.
getting ready to go to school. The best thing about it,
Yeah.
the school is there in the village.
In the village.
Yes.
How you know Sote?
My mother-in-law is from Sote.
My ancestor. Oh, your mother-in-law is from
Yes,
Sote?
my mother-in-law is from Sote.
So what did you go and do in Sote last weekend?
We went to celebrate 60th birthday of Tacho.
Right.
Yes, and also
Who
his
is Tacho?
retirement. Tacho is mother-in-law's younger brother.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
the only brother.
Right. And
So,
you died there?
I died somewhere else.
He not die in the village. He died in the district. He died in Bungale.
Yes,
Sote also Bungalei. Another village maybe, eh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So Tomaningyo and Sote, they are related?
Yes, they are related.
Oh, okay.
They
So
are from
Sote
the same
is
thing.
inside.
inside?
Yes.
Yeah.
Interior and Tumuningyo is
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
Yo, belum nakatuwal na company. Sote Bungalei may telebu.
They thought that you coming.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh,
because
no.
I told them I think I will have to call my transporter
Yeah.
to come and
Right.
transport us back to Suba because of work and school.
Then why you never call?
No, because the carrier.
Yeah.
They arranged the carrier to bring us to Suba.
Okay.
And the big problem is that carrier can carry us.
Oh,
Why?
yes.
What?
The spare tire is not sparing.
What's wrong with the spare tire?
The tire is something is wrong with the tire.
All right.
Right. So
No.
kaput in the middle of the road.
The
In
tire
the
is
middle of
wrong
the
or
forest.
the carrier is wrong? Kung kam tolewena.
The tire.
Oh.
The tire, something wrong with the tire. 1, 2.
Yeah.
2 tires kaput.
Oh, okay. So
In the middle of the forest.
that driver is from Sote?
Yes, the driver is from
Oh,
Sote.
You know what? I want to tell something.
What?
You know that's only can and the two sora kan the wabu na rani balang kan matagal lawa bago.
Right.
One kesarawa na lulu mereida meleitang ese di bale.
English, the Lulu.
If the owl can stop by singing it and crying under the house.
Yeah?
Also can a carry can kaput
Yeah.
if somebody is hiding.
Yeah.
No one is hiding.
Oi.
I think only 2 chana inside that carrier.
Right.
2 chana, 2 young lady.
Why from where?
2 young lady, we went together. One is my cousin.
Yeah.
And another one
Single?
is from Lomebiti.
Oh.
Yes, single.
Okay.
Total, they pondering the young men there.
They went single to Sote. They came
Back single.
Oh, what happened to the Sote gang?
So I think
Out.
Huh?
nisasangan niya the kukuha magtamata.
Miracle do happen. So
Miracle
maybe
do
they
happen.
was somebody the carrier.
Right.
That's why the carrier pancha.
Right.
Because the people of Sote, when they was somebody, very dangerous. It is like the missile in Israel.
You want to paten ng golo apaku kinangelebu kimeli na dalebu and you reach what time?
Reach nearly 10 o'clock in the night.
She said,
We left at 6.
okay.
We are not coming. We are about to coming to Sote now.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Right. We
Friday.
around 9 o'clock.
Hey, what's wrong with the eyes?
9 o'clock.
Okay, when you reach Sote on Friday, and then?
And then we
Celebrate.
No, we celebrate on
You sleep
Saturday.
nicely?
No.
No, she said the problem was the carrier.
Yes.
Because she want to call me for the
Yes.
taxi to come and pick them. If she call me, the problem will be big. You
Yeah,
know why?
see.
Because the fuel price go up.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
And a lot of drivers, they don't want to go there yesterday.
Yeah.
Why?
And the previous day.
How?
Because of the road.
Who?
Very bumpy road.
Ala di kailangan na how na
Yeah. And
Yeah. They know they love and they like and they want to protect their car.
Right.
So that's the excuse they've been giving.
Right.
They don't want to go up there because of the road
during
condition.
the birthday.
Right.
Sunday.
Saturday.
Right.
Tell the story, Are we are waiting.
Yes. Very beautiful birthday celebration.
Yeah.
We had lots of food to eat.
Right.
We had pork, we had beef,
Right.
and fish.
Right.
Oh, very beautiful.
Right.
Very beautiful dish. Have you ever
The
tried
people in Sote,
the balsami
the
with
peop-
mayonnaise inside?
The people in Sote, they eat the pig.
Yes.
Why? Why they eat the pig? Because that's not for them.
For who?
That's for the Vitambuki.
Yeah, that's from the gang from Verata.
Hey.
Now you telling the whole of Fiji that the people in Sote, they eating the pig. So what I can gather from your information,
Right.
because of those two girls, those two girls, they went to Sote, single, they came back single,
Right.
and before they meet, like they reach the main road,
Right.
Rataya kaput. So something happened there.
Right. What happened?
This is the miracle of the Sote gang. And this is the bullet. Yeah,
The Sidini.
that's it. Two tires,
One tire each for
each side.
each girl, eh?
Yeah, one
Right.
tire, because two tires, two girls there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very dangerous.
Okay. What can you say? What can you say
I
from
can
your
say
Right?
I can say there.
Yeah.
That's how
from
how
your
the power.
Yeah, the power.
The power.
Yeah.
The power of love.
Right.
right?
Eh?
But
Right.
the power of love, they should have used it during when the girls
Does
are
he
there.
remember this?
Mike.
Does he remember this? When mommy going to fishing.
Right.
Kaya baka na numi ko sa tangi ko te ko ngone o papa ibale.
Right.
What will happen is this. And luto na ika.
Right.
Right.
Wili wona numi ko mo lubengu.
Right.
Era nile mabona.
Right.
Mawala daw.
Rale mamo nila isiwa.
Yeah.
Right.
Ranandio se ndona kaya do ko me waitu eh.
Right.
But that's a powerful of missing someone.
Right.
Right.
And that can happen too.
Right.
This two lady.
If somebody from the village, one boy from the village is missed, this two lady.
Right.
What will happen? It can kaput.
Boy, I always admire your donkey vision.
What?
Donkey vision.
See? That's a power of missing someone.
Yeah.
Right.
If you can see the line of the relationship that lighting from one human to another
Right.
human being.
Right.
If somebody is
It's
thinking,
invisible.
it's invisible.
Right.
You can see, but you can feel.
Right.
If you can feel that electrifying
Right.
connection from
Right.
one person to another.
Right.
If somebody is from somewhere missing you,
Right.
Right.
ano kaya kita lang sa suru?
Right.
Eh? That's a power of
Suru.
missing someone. Achi! Suru. If no,
Yeah.
kaya baka ano kaya kita lang, if someone you miss,
Right.
ano kaya kita lang sa atin naman ni Bali.
Right.
Right.
Eh, wasa matagi ko sa tungan ni Kuwa.
Right. Gather me.
That's
Mm.
how electrifying when somebody is miss someone.
Yeah.
That happened on the day
Last
they
night.
leave. Because they want the two girls to stay.
Yeah.
Right.
Eh?
And
Yeah.
the two girl hop into the carrier.
Iyo.
Eh,
Kaya kami,
Batuso ba?
kaya baka mento bakarua, menti kita kime bakarua. Na sinisu naman into namba kaya ukila robi tarabi nga. Taka nga si buro ita katali sigatan. Meron uti ko manta nga na po. Meron moro tato na boys.
Yeah, tell mo Ben,
Yeah.
the one who's single,
Yeah.
Dawai,
Garota.
he wants the one of the girls to stay behind.
Give both of them. Both of them.
And me wale.
And when the carrier came,
If Talim Ben is that way, both girls, give it to Talim Ben. And I don't know about this money. Talim Ben will wake up or no?
even tell mo Ben came in the carrier.
Why?
Yeah.
Eh, may wala ka tinamba kasi may wak.
Nabambulot ka ni Bernawek ni Bubale Rasem na mataga ni Ko to all those tuning in from Sote.
Right.
Related to the gang in Sote in Bungalay being Bulabinaka. So Talim Ben should have make use of the 2 nights
I
that girls
think
are there.
Talebu Ben is the reason why the carrier kaput.
Yeah.
Because he came with us.
Ito, may
Why did he? Why did he come
He
to
want to
English?
come and drop off.
Drop off
Send
where?
a farewell.
Kau segani
Properly.
segani le bunang kau ni dana kiri le bukan orang kau biasa susu. Nimbilo mele watara kau mai yang umai mau ngunu rambe taki ngonele.
Sangay mau tumi mandaga mau. Lucy na non rola ko en ngonele ngori. It's a wastage of time for them. Better for them to go to some other place because they are going there, you know, when the girls come to a place, you don't know what's inside them. Eh? All you have to do is just to take the first step. Tell them Ben should have taken the first step.
Right.
That's why I told you, give both girls to Talib Ben.
No. I advised one of the girls. See,
Yeah.
don't.
Oh.
Kudimaku tu.
Yeah.
Why? Kudimaku tu. Talib Ben always wangera.
Bukan nada bukan awal.
It's only two things. It's either the girl will run away
Yeah.
or kick the bucket.
Yeah, better run away. If the girl run away before reaching Nukurwa, another panza.
My hey, happy new month.
Right?
Happy half
June.
Yes.
Right.
It's June. Eh, na ito kan dari